Here at buyavet.net in Atlanta, Georgia, we love our Corvettes, but we also have a great collection of classic muscle cars and also some pickup trucks, just beautiful cars that bring us down memory lane. And this is a beautiful 1973 Chevrolet Camaro LS1. Take a look at this car. This is very special. Yellow on the exterior, black interior. Under the hood, it has a 5.7-liter LS1 V8 engine, 4L60E automatic transmission, and this car was a frame-off restoration. Yes, every piece of this Camaro has been replaced or restored. Outside, the yellow paint has a nice shine with solid and straight body panels underneath. The vinyl top, the black stripes really set this car apart from others. Inside, the interior is clean and very period correct with updates like the Dakota Digital Gauges and a retro AM/FM radio. Underneath this car, well, you'll find very solid with nice floor pans and frame rails restored in the factory Oxide primer. This car also has the QA1 coilovers. They've been added and installed for a sporty ride, and the fuel injection LS1 runs and sounds great and gives the reliability of a newer car. The automatic overdrive transmission shifts perfectly and makes highway cruising a breeze. Tons of money have been spent on this car, and it shows inside and out. The car has power steering, power disc brakes, fuel injection, and a nice restoration makes this F-body easy and comfortable to drive. This car is priced to sell. It won't last long, so check it out today, and also give our other classic muscle cars and trucks a look here on our Corvette inventory section on our website at buyavet.net. Give one of our sales representatives a call at 770-414-5552, and they'll help put this car in your garage today. Wherever you live, we make buying online something you can do with ease and especially with a great deal of confidence. Remember, we're buyavet.net in Atlanta, Georgia. Hope to hear from you real soon.